Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable extended diagnostics data Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to enable extended diagnostics data Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To enable extended diagnostics data, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Go to the Privacy menu. This is already in the Privacy menu. Tap Enable Extended Diagnostics Data to activate it. By activating this feature, allows Teams to collect additional diagnostic data, including error logs and feature usage, to help Microsoft improve performance and resolve technical issues. So that's it, tutorial how to enable extended diagnostics data Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.